Okay, let me stop playing. But I got a somewhat busy day today. I gotta head to the shop, you know what I'm saying? I got a few heads I gotta do. I'm gonna try to get some content for y'all today. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a little minute, but be patient with me, you know what I'm saying? I've been trying to perfect my camera. I just been doing research on cameras and stuff. I'm a perfectionist, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just about to hop into it, you know what I'm saying? You can't be too ready. That's one thing I learned. You can't be overly prepared. You gotta walk your way up and just so your followers can see the growth too with your cameras and your editing skills and everything. So we just gonna hop into it. I got a few heads at the shop. I might do like one full tutorial and then just record the rest. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm not trying to be late on my clients, so I'm gonna see how much time I got. I'm gonna try to do it for y'all. Let's see what we could do. I gotta hop in the shower. It's 9 something. I gotta be at the shop before 11. So I got about an hour. Yeah, let's go, man.
Baby, yeah.
We can come down on the beard, just even it out, but I want to keep this part full.
Come down on this, we'll leave this?
Yeah, we'll leave this full. The line up just right there where you usually do it, and then high on the mustache. And then in the back, just down there, but no square.
Okay, just the size? And as low as possible on the taper?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, long time no speak, Y'all heard what he said. We're gonna do a low taper, you know what I'm saying? He do get his hair braided up, so I'm gonna try to keep it low as possible. I'm gonna fade the beard in real nice, give him a real smooth, professional looking fade. And I'm gonna go ahead and apologize now. I did have my camera on auto focus, so when I fade, it's gonna focus on my hand, you know, but y'all will still see the gestures and still kind of see what I'm doing. But like I said in the beginning of the video, you learn, I'll learn, you know, through experience. So, you know, next time it will be better for sure. I will put it in manual focus and I will make sure that it focus on the fade and not my hand. I promise y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just comment, rock with me, and yeah, let's get it. As y'all see, I just made the bald guideline. Now I opened up my lever all the way, and I'm just gonna make that same rainbow shape. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make sure you do it as even as possible. The cleaner these guidelines are, the better the fade gonna come out. Then I just closed it up all the way since it's not too much hair for me to really work with. So I'm just flicking with my lever, you know, just playing with my lever, just, you know what I'm saying? With these clippers, it cut a lot of hair off, unlike the Fade Masters and stuff. So I really don't have too much hair to fade with the first guideline. It's really easy for me to knock this line out. And since he don't have too much hair and I don't have too much space for me to work with, y'all gonna see I'm gonna go straight in with my Fade Masters all the way closed with the one guard, just to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get straight to the point. Usually I'll walk it down with a 2 guard and then 1.5, but with this cut we're gonna get straight into it and knock it right out. So watch me work. As you see, that was perfect. That one guard was perfect. It knocked it right out. I'm gonna just do some lever play. Yeah, just watch me work. What I'm doing right here is just slightly debulking with my one guard. I'm not really digging in there. I'm really just flicking out, but I'm gonna handle that later. Right now, I'm just worried on getting that base taper. You know what I'm saying? The bulk at the top, we're gonna knock that out later. Anyways, watch me handle this beard. He said he wanted laid to the face, so I'm gonna cut it down with a one guard and get everything laid and smooth, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna basically down fade, but in reverse, you know, since we're going down on the beard. But I'm basically gonna down fade. First I'm gonna hit it with the one, then I'm gonna hit it with the guard open. Then I'm just close it up from there, and y'all gonna see everything come together. As you see, I'm being real gentle when I fade the beard. You don't want to be too aggressive because you can easily bring it down lower than you expected, you know what I'm saying? So you see how close, excuse my words, it's 1:33 a.m. right now. See that fade already looking icy, you know what I'm saying? To me, I don't know about to y'all, but to me, I love the way the beard fade is looking. Now, I'm gonna work back on the taper. Let's go. Right here, I'm gonna do some slight shaping. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna save that for my JRLs. You know what I'm saying? Right here, I'm just gonna do some slight shaping just so I get a better picture of what I'm working with. But yeah, my JRLs and my Fade Masters are my go-to babies. I'm not gonna lie. Them are my, for details, you know, them are my babies. I cannot lie. But yeah, work me work. Okay, right here I'm gonna grab my JRLs, and this is when I start debulking that top freehanding though. I'm just gonna freehand it. But for some reason I love the JRLs when it comes to detailing, because I can slow down the motor, I can speed it up, and you know, it just, you know, I'm very comfortable with the JRLs when it comes to detailing. As you see, I'm using my corners and I'm just notching away that line. You see that line is already fading out. I'm notching away at that line, just because I know I don't have too much room to work with, so I don't really need a guard, you know. So yeah, just watching me work. You're gonna see me detail, you're gonna see me get it right. As you see, I'm even detailing the beard with the JRLs, you know what I'm saying? I feel like the JRLs are just, these are the finishers, you know what I'm saying? These are the, you know what I'm saying? The cut is not finished until I use the JRLs, I'm gonna just say that. This raking method is one of my favorite go-to methods when I fade. I do this on my tapers, my fades. I do this on every fade. It just give it a smooth transition. Like it just do something to the fade that I love. You know what I'm saying? Just really lay everything down. As y'all see, this fade is crazy. Okay, right here I'm applying my hot lather. I like to do this before I line it up. It really just helped me with that ash line. It helped remove all the debris and dirt and oils out the hair, and just, you know, especially if the client got braids or something like that, you know. But this is definitely a part of my lineup process. After I finish blow drying, you'll see me apply my Tresemme, and then I'm gonna blow dry again. You know, this is just the process. You know, it's a satisfying process to me. You know, just seeing everything come together. But yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna let y'all just watch me work, and everything is basically self-explanatory after this. So yeah. I really am mad my camera didn't focus, you know what I'm saying? I didn't notice that until I was about to start editing. That's why I'm about to buy me a monitor. I don't know if y'all know what a monitor is for cameras. You know, if y'all use cameras, y'all definitely gonna know, but yeah, I'm about to buy me a monitor. It's basically like a bigger screen, so I could see what my camera is recording and focusing on while I'm recording. Kind of like what professional filmmakers use, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go all the way out with it, man. It's time for that. See how I placed my hand right there, my left hand? For some reason that helped me just get a better artistic feel when I'm doing my C-cups, you know what I'm saying? You gotta really place yourself in position, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be patient and just place yourself in position, kind of like artwork, you know what I'm saying? Be calm, be diligent, be spontaneous. Nah, I'm just messing around. But nah, for real, to put yourself in position and take your time. Y'all see I'm getting them C-cups right. But let me tell y'all about this hand sponge y'all about to see me use. When I tell y'all my clients, every one of my clients love this hand sponge. They always ask me, where you get this sponge from? Like, this sponge is crazy, you know, and I agree. It always give me that perfect sponge look. It don't, you know, it don't have it looking too sponge. Like, a lot of my clients don't like that sponge look, but it just give it that perfect nappy look naturally, you know. Next video I post, I'm gonna show y'all how I took this into this. Wait. This. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna show y'all my high temp fade. You know what I'm saying? I was finna throw it in this video, but this video is already long enough. So, yeah.